And yes, you heard it right. Radyo Bandera 107.1. Okay, welcome people. Welcome. Ang baba ng mic. Taas natin konti. Ang baba ko na nga eh. Ang baba pa. Ayan, how you guys doing? Kamusta? Are you doing fine? Kamusta ang gabi nyo? Napapaindak ba kayo sa mga pinapatugtog ko? Check the time. It's now 8:24 p.m. And the time check brought to you by SPCI, Subic Bay Colleges. Alright? It's located at West Bahak-Bahak, Barangay West Bahak-Bahak, doon sa may pilahan ng Blue Jeep. No? Okay? So, dyan nyo na i-enroll yung inyong mga anakis. They got elementary, they got the K-12 program, they got college, different courses there. Visit their official website. Hindi ko kasi sa ulado yung mga courses that they offer. Visit their official Facebook page. Alright? And also SBCI Driving School. Meron pa rin, of course. Alright? Yan. So, that time check brought to you by Subic Bay Colleges Inc. Alright? Visit them on Facebook and check out what they offer. All right, and also we are coming to you live from Casa Gilda Resort at the Holy Spirit Village dito sa Tabakuhan in Olongapo City. You're jamming with me. My name's DJ Tommy G, and I would like to welcome everybody. For those who just tuned in, why did you just tune in? But why are you late? Okay, so once again, jam with me. This radio program is from Monday to Wednesday, the night jam. Yeah, 3 days lang, Monday to Wednesday, 7 to 9 p.m. Alright? Dahil Saturday and Sunday, magpo-program din ako. So, for a total of 5 days. 5 days lang, wag naman 7 days. You know? The man needs his gala and his beauty rest. Beauty sleep din, 'di ba? Okay. Tapos syempre may mga daddy duties pa tayo, 'di ba? Okay. So pag Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna be doing the Golden Age of Radio. Yan. If you guys are familiar with Golden Age of Radio, yan yung mga tugtugan nung 70s, 80s and 90s, yung time na talagang FM ang FM. Ngayon, nowadays kasi hindi na masyadong FM ang FM eh. Have you guys noticed? Nothing against it, but yeah, nagbago yung format no? Nagbago yung timpla. Pero during the 70s, 80s and 90s, yan yung tinatawag na Golden Age of Radio. Golden Age of FM. I'm gonna try bringing it back, the Golden Age of Radio. Pag Saturday and Sunday lang naman. All afternoons of Saturday and Sunday. Only here on 107.1 Radio Bandera. Okay? And right about now, syempre ang usual segment that we're doing here for this radio show. Today's holidays and observances, March 24. Today, what's going on for March 24? March 24, for those who don't know, is World Tuberculosis Day. Yan, okay? Or kung tawagin natin, TB, Record ko yung mga noipi minsan. pag may umubod, 'di ba? Sabi, yung TB mo paggamot mo na colored. Ayan. So today, awareness to for awareness about the dangers of world tuberculosis, how to deal with it. Ayan, World TB Day. Observe every March 24 every year, designed to build public awareness about the global epidemic that is called tuberculosis. Okay? And today is also National Tree Planting Day in Uganda. Okay? Uganda. Diyan yung bansa. Diyan nakatira yung si mahal mo na si Ganda. Uganda. Diba? Pag maganda yung jowa mo, taga diyan siya. Uganda. Alright? Today is also, March 24 is also International Day for the right to be the truth. For the right to the truth concerning gross human rights violations and for the dignity of victims. Alright? Also, something that's significant for you. That's today, March 24. Okay? So, ano pa ba? What else? March 24 is also, come on, computer, work fast. March 24 is also Chocolate-Covered Raisins Day. Uy, something that's yummy for you. Mahilig ba kayo dyan? Yung raisins. Pasas. Okay? Yung covered ng chocolate. Parang, I don't know, maybe today is the day that it was, sort of like invented or made up. Chocolate-Covered Raisins Day. March 24 is also International Cocktail Day. Alright, so speaking of which, what's your most favorite kind or type of cocktail, Ano nga ba? All right, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, March 24 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, famous people, celebrities, and the like. Si Aljur Abrenica is one of today's birthday celebrants. Nakilala nyo ba si Aljur Abrenica? Sinong nakakakilala sa kanya? Taas ang kamay. Kung hindi nyo kilala, okay lang. Hindi niya rin naman tayo kilala. Diba? Oh yeah! Sabi ko nga. So who else? Aside from Aljur Abrenica, he's an artista, diba? Yung one of the hunks of show business. Ex ni ano, sino yung ex niya? Yung anak ni ni paring Robin Padilla. No, Robin Padilla. Si Kylie Padilla, yun yung ex niya. Naghiwalay na sila pinagpalit kay ano pangalan noon? Sexy Star din yun, yung Sexy Star, I mean, hindi din. Dahil si hindi naman sexy star si Kylie, talagang straight actress lang di ba? Dramatic actress. Pinagpalit si showbiz And next birthday celebrant we have Mr. Paulo Duterte, who is the son of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and he is also the current mayor of Davao. Okay? Tama ba ako? Baka mali binibigay kong info. Also happy birthday to Filipino singer Daryl Ong. Okay? Filipino journalist Rico Hizon, and comedian Tado. Alright, yun talaga yung name niya. Si Tado, are you familiar? The long-haired dude with the thick glasses, na nerdy ang dating na comedian yan. Okay? Who else do we gotta greet? RJ Rosales, who's a Filipino actor and singer. For those who knows him, okay? For those who don't, okay lang, hindi niya rin tayo kilala. And next up, happy birthday also to the following. The Undertaker! Wow! Ayan, kilala niyo ba si The Undertaker? He turns how many today? The Undertaker was born March 24, 1965. Born Mark Calloway. Yan talaga yung real name niya. Mark Calloway. Right? Next up, also happy birthday to Jim Parsons. He is an actor. He's in the TV series The Big Bang Theory. He played the role of Sheldon Cooper there. Turns 52 today. Happy birthday to you, Jim Parsons. Or turns 51, I'm sorry. Because he was born 1973. Ay, hindi. Yeah. If you're born 1973 and 2025 na, okay, now I get it. Because this source is US actor to, the US. We are ahead by a day. So tomorrow, magpi-52 na siya. Yeah, there you go. I really have to break it down for you, huh? Jim Parsons of Big Bang Theory. Also, TV actor Christopher Briney turns 27 today. Pop singer Jack Johnson turns 29. Sino pa? Who else do we gotta greet? Also, happy birthday to football legend Peyton Manning, living legend that is. He turns 49 today. Next up, it's the birthday anniversary also. Kasi wala na he passed away a long time ago. He was born 1874 actually. He passed away 1926. Harry Houdini, one of the greatest magician and escape artists like ever to live. Harry Houdini, okay? And also happy birthday to the NBA's Chris Bosh. He had a couple of championships with the Miami Heat, alongside LeBron James, of course, and Dwayne Wade, the big trio back then. You guys remember Chris Bosh, LeBron James, and Dwayne Wade. Turns 41 today. Next up, we have Tommy Hilfiger. I like his clothing. I like his designs. Because he's Tommy, just like me. He turned 74 today. And happy birthday to iconic meme guy called John Tron. Yeah, for those who don't know, let me enlighten you. He turns 35 today. Si John Tron, siya yung if you guys are familiar with the meme video, yung the one that goes like, "What?" Yun. Tapos yung mukha niya, syempre, di ba? Iconic. What? That's him. He's a YouTube star, actually. Okay? Next up, we have Alison Hannigan of the Bandcamp fame. She was also in Buffy the Vampire Slayer and How I Met Your Mother. Turns 51 today. Alison Hannigan. She's funny in Bandcamp, you know? I'm a big fan of that series of movies. Bandcamp. Okay, so that's about it. Today's famous people celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. March 24 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Ka-birthday nyo sila ha, yung mga nagbe-birthday ngayong March 24. Ayan, kilala nyo ba lahat yung mga celebrities? Okay lang kung hindi. Again, dahil hindi rin nila tayo kilala.
Oh yeah!
And if you guys have, birthday shout-outs there, text me now, 0910-6909-501. Okay? Pwede rin tayo mambati. Greet na lang. Huwag na bati. Sabi nga ni Camille Bert, huwag tayo mambati, mang-greet tayo. Mahirap na di ba? So, yeah. Greet na lang. Calling all pet lovers in Olongapo City. Ayan. Join us this coming March 29, Saturday, at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo Downtown for the pet vaccination. What to expect? Free anti-rabies vaccination for dogs and cats. Health tips from local veterinarians as well. Ayan. Okay, March 29 once again. And also the blood donation campaign will be happening at SM City Olongapo Central on March 27, Thursday, 10 a.m. Pero bago yun, mauuna muna yung sa downtown. March 25 naman yun, di ba? March 25, the blood donation campaign at SM Downtown. Tuesday, pareho tong 10 a.m. ang start. Okay? Give the gift of life. Save lives. You're all invited to the bloodletting program activity March 25, and that's for downtown, and March 27 at SM Central. Okay? So, yeah. And also, you are invited pa, to check out Fun Ventures. It's finally at SM City Olongapo Downtown, the newest roof deck adventure park, redefining outdoor fun with an exciting mix of activities and breathtaking views. The kids will love it. The kids will love it. Located at the 7th floor roof deck of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Nasa downtown po baka hanapin nyo sa Central, yung Fun Ventures roof deck. Sarap dyan sa roof deck na yan, no? Ang ganda ng view. And in celebration of Women's Month, Kaizen is having the Women's Month promo March 8 to 31, 2025 for all women. Women customers only. Yan, yung kanilang unlimited beef, pork, unlimited juice, down 30%. 30% off. Kaizen is located at the level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? And of course, they got tons of stuff for women. Marami pa. Visit the kiosks there at SM Central and SM Downtown in celebration of Women's Month. Every time, any celebration, they have the special area for it, the kiosks and booths. So this one's for women. This time, of course, the whole month of March is Women's Month. Those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. We got it all for you. Here's a requested song, music coming from Bruno Mars. This one's called Too Good to Say Goodbye. You want it? You got it. Here you go. Bruno Mars. This is 107.1 Radio Bandera. You're with DJ Tommy G, The Night Jam radio show. Yeah, let's jam.